Okay, so I have two questions here for you. Says evaluate. The first one says the fifth root of negative 5 to the power 15. First, we need to write this one in standard form. This is the same as negative 5. Let me use another color. This is the same as negative 5 to the power 15 you divide by 5. This 5 here comes here. This is what this means. But 5 can go into 15, right? This will give us a negative 5 to the power 3. This will be negative 5 multiplied by negative 5 multiplied by negative what? 5. You don't have to use a calculator, by the way. You don't have to use a calculator. These are paper 1 type of questions. And this will give us negative 125 as your final answer. B, this one is the same as 2. Okay. The power negative 18, you divide by what? 6. But 6 can go into negative 18. This will be 2 to the power negative what? 3, like that. And what we have here is the same as 2. Sorry. It's just the same as 2 to the power negative 1 and everything to the power 3, like that, guy. These are powers that can multiply each other. So I've taken out the negative such that you can reciprocate 2 to the power negative 1 as 1 over 2 and everything to the power 3. This will give us 1 over, okay, 1 to the power 3 is 2 or 3. While 2 to the power 3, what do you get? You get 8. So this is your answer.